So one of the, I'm logged in as a different account here, which is a sales rep. And you'll see on this account, I've got a bit of a different home screen, and I've also got a different set of panels listed for me. And I use this account to kind of show you specifically this screen right here. We start off at a high level with what would be a very traditional report. I've got a list of accounts here. The list of accounts is automatically being filtered based off of this user. You know, I talked about the data security side of it. That little gear that was the SQL Server gear that's telling me, you know, what customers I'm allowed to see, is not only saying this user's allowed in, but that they're only allowed to see these specific rows. That's implemented on the server side. And, you know, again, it's a very basic report at this point where, you know, there's kind of the, you know, filtering, there's drill down, stuff like that. You know, at this point, nothing that's far beyond the traditional dashboarding world. But where we start to vary a bit is when you look at this call log button. And the call log, when you first get into it, is showing you at the bottom of the screen, this is just, you know, CRM call history. You know, hey, I emailed this customer, I visited them, I had a call with them, whatever that sort of stuff is. So you're seeing all that history down along the bottom, but up along the top is where we start to vary, because we also have the ability to put in new calls. And this process here of allowing new entries to be added is where we get into the actionable aspect of Bezlio. As quick as you saw that happen right there, we actually went, you know, sent that data to our back-end systems. We punched it into whatever that system was. In this case, it's actually Epicor ERP. We're using its native API, which is one of our plugins. It added that row, and it came right back here. And if in the process of doing that, there was any sort of validations that occurred that prevented that from entering, you actually would have seen a pop-up giving the actual back-end system specific error message letting you know what's kind of going on there. So actionable dashboards, that's a big factor for us about the ability to kind of take and do a little bit more than just view data.